it's Amber from Louisville Public Library. Today we're going to do some crafting. There will be a grab bag the first Monday of the month, every month. That'll correspond with that Saturday's video. If you could please leave us a comment in this video, we'd really appreciate it. It truly does help us. Just let us know how many people are watching at home and if you enjoyed the video. All right, let's do some crafting. Hello. So today we're going to be making this super simple little mini potion bottle. Now you can put this on like a necklace, make a necklace out of it, or you could do like a keychain, anything really. But these ones you can actually buy. It'll have the little head pin on it, so you can just attach whatever to it. But of course, you can just buy the bottles and not attach a pin to it, or you could put one in it and make it, you know, as like a keychain or a necklace. So it's up to you. But there's just so many different options of what you can put in the bottle. You can make tons of different ones and make them kind of fit your personality. So I really like these, and they're really simple and inexpensive. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first let's go over what you're going to need today. So first you'll need your bottle. Again, you can get the ones that come with a little head pin already in the cork. So it'll already be in there for you, which is really convenient. But if you want to do this and you want to have a little pin on there, you just have to buy the pins, and then it just sticks right into the cork. You can even put a little bit of glue on it if you want to really stay in there. You can get tons of different sizes of bottles. I like this, you know, for a necklace, but you can get a little bit bigger one than this for a necklace as well. I've done that before. You can get these in craft stores often, or online, and usually you can get a pack of them for $10, sometimes even less, just depends, you know, have to look around. You will need some sort of cord or chain if you want to make a necklace. This is just cord that's usually used in macrame, but you could use anything. Again, you don't use cord, you could use an actual chain, like a necklace chain. So we'll need scissors if you're going to be using cord, just to cut that, and you'll need scissors also for, this is kind of like a botanical style that I'm doing today. So I'm putting like leaves in it, faux leaves, and then little mini stones. So if you wanted to do it that way, you would need some sort of faux like leaves, greenery, and then just some really small little rocks, multicolored ones, preferably. And then again, if you want to make it into a keychain, you will need a jump ring. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to take some of your rocks out. It's kind of difficult to see, but there's some really teeny tiny ones in here, and then there's some larger ones. See, but there's a good mix. I think I got this. This was at a craft store. Usually you can find stuff like this, and you'll be able to find the mini ones if you want to do something like this with a mini bottle. Of course, get a bigger bottle, and you'll have a little bit more kind of options of sizes of stones to put in it. So I'm just going to take some of these leaves. These is just like a waxy kind, and then I have the more like fabric leaf as well. And I'm just going to cut this up so it'll fit in the bottle. I'm just kind of like making very mini leaves, basically. I'm just kind of cutting pieces so it looks kind of like a teeny leaf, and then you just stick it in the bottle. And you just kind of keep doing this until you are happy with how full the bottle is when you get to the top. Now again, there's different things you can put in these. You can put glitter in them. If you like glitter, I do like glitter. So I know some people don't, but glitter's always fun. So you can do that. You can do a mixture of like glitter and glue, and then once it cures and dries, then it will you know, be in there forever. Something like this, because I'm not going to be gluing anything, it's not permanent, so I can always pour out what's in it and swap it up for something different, which is kind of nice. So I've literally just cut up that leaf, put it in the bottle. And now I'm going to take some of these little stones. You can always do like a color scheme because there's multicolored. I think I'm going to just do like green, just most like kind of green tones. Because this other one I did, I kind of did some like yellows, like a white. So I'm I'm just kind of keeping it very like botanical style. That's kind of what I'm going for. Like the weather change, spring and Easter, this is just kind of like a nice, kind of put you in that mood for that nice weather. I'm going to swap one of these out. This one I thought was green, has some blue in it. Okay, so now I've filled it. And you want to leave some room so you can put your cork back in, so be sure you do that, especially if you're using something, if you're putting something in this like glue that's more permanent, you want to make sure you're not overfilling, so you can put your cork back in. Now if you want this to not come off, the cork probably will not come off, but if you really want to make sure, you can put a little bit of glue around the cork and then stick it in. But again, if you do that, then you really can't change out what's in it, so just be sure you are happy with what you have. So now I have, again, that head pin that's already on there. If you don't have it, you'll just have to stick it in there and then attach it to a jump ring or a key, to a keychain, or you can attach it to some sort of cord or, again, a chain and make clips out of it. But again, there's so many different sizes. This is the really, really teeny tiny ones. I believe this is the smallest I've ever seen them. But you can get, there's like a size up from this that, you can put a lot more stuff in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you make it, please share pictures of it. We always love to see what you guys do. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. And please leave us a comment below. Okay, stay safe out there and mask up.